Hi everybody, I haven't done a video for a while and I thought I'll do a video on the ongoing euro trade I took yesterday and this morning. I wanted to share with you how I got this level and how I'm planning to manage and trade this setup. The euro has been having support at a 62% pullback on a very long-term chart for move from 106 to 123. This is a correction. I don't want to go into the details of the Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Correction ABC, and this is a extension to 127% extension support, which is a confluence area on a weekly chart with the 62% Fibonacci support. So adding to that, the Merrimath line, there's a major Merrimath line at 112.30. So this is a major area. If this zone holds, we might get a pullback probably for 114, 115, 116, 117 area. And we can go higher and test the highs from here if this area holds. It's too early to tell at this stage, but this is the potential. So buying here with a low risk for a bigger potential is the best. That's what trading is all about, how managing risk and managing our capital. So on a weekly chart we had also a divergence. So as we can see here, there's a divergence as well on the CCI, and we're heading we're bouncing off that level. I've been watching this level for some time, the initial move up, and was waiting for a pullback on a daily chart, and that pullback happened to be also in the zone, the 78.6 to 77.86 and 62%. This is a very powerful zone. Between these two lines here is where usually, if there's a reversal and the market doesn't do a higher high or a higher low, a lower low, higher high would be in that case in that zone. So I was watching that zone, and last night we got on a smaller time frame. I started a position and started scaling in around 127.80, and from here this morning I saw we were breaking above the high, and this is where I added another position to my position. I'm still looking to add more on a pullback towards the 113 area if we get it. Let's see how the trade go from here, and we'll monitor it as on day by day on my Twitter account, and we'll see how the market moves off that area. Yeah, so having said that, my initial target is at 0.618 of this projection Fibonacci extension of that ABC move. So this is the initial target. I was looking to get some resistance, and we managed to got a high today at 113.54, as I posted on my Twitter account. We are 113.50 to 113.80 is between these two levels. This area and this area is a good resistance. Momentum is strong. We have a CCI reversal here. We have RSI, stochastic RSI here, buy signal as well, plus the ABC price pattern and structure. Again, we might get a pullback here and then continue higher between today and tomorrow. Let's see how this develops. This is another Merrimath number, 113.53 is a resistance, acting as a resistance as well. we have a 20 EMA as well acting as a resistance. So based on the overall weekly higher time frame and daily, and based on the momentum, I'm expecting we to clear that level. It might be a bit overextended on a shorter term charts for the current move. So if we close above the 113.53.60, we will test this, and if we break, we're gonna do 100% ABC correction to 114 area. Again, this will be I will start taking profits. My initial stop was underneath this low, which was 112.27. So under that was my initial stop, and when the market momentum came in and buyers came in, I moved it under today's low here. So this is to manage risk, and I will move it even further higher tonight to see tonight or tomorrow. Let's see how the market reacts and see how far we pull back, and then hopefully we'll have a free trade and the market will continue higher. Otherwise, we'll start scaling out my position or add on a pullback and look for a retest of that 113.50 area. So looking at the 240-minute chart, as you can see, this is where my positions were taken, and yeah, let's see how it develops. I thought I'll just do a recap on that trade. Let's see a 60-minute chart. I'm not expecting a deep pullback, honestly, based on a 60-minute chart. So I pull back to maybe 113.36, 113.20 would be a good, nice pullback for a retest, and hopefully will clear the high and continue higher. But in any case, I'll be holding my stops probably below this 112.64, and I'll move it to break even, which is around 112.90. Once we clear, make a new high and have a free trade. The risk reward is very high, as you can tell when I entered here, 112.80. I'll put this is where I entered last night. The market only went 10 ticks, probably 12 ticks against me, or pips against me, and that's where I added here again, and we continued higher, average around this area, 112.90. So let's hope things go as planned, and we'll see, and we'll update my Twitter account on a daily basis and see where this trade takes us. I'm planning to hold for a bigger move around maybe 114, 115, 116, 17 maybe. Let's see how the market reacts to these levels, and we'll decide accordingly. We're here to react rather than just at this moment we're just managing our risk, and take it from there and see how this develops. Thank you for watching, and hope to update soon. Have a good night.